Google just dropped the Pixel 10a, and the internet's collective reaction was a bit of a shrug. On paper, it looks like a glitch in the matrix. It has the same Tensor G4 chip as the previous model, the same basic camera sensors, and the same 8 gigabytes of RAM. If you already have a Pixel 9a, this phone looks like an email that could have been a meeting. But while the tech world is obsessed with the Pixel 10 Pro and its fancy new TSMC-made G5 chip, the 10a is sitting in the corner being the most practical phone Google has made in years. It's the best phone no one asked for because it finally fixes the one thing we've been complaining about for a decade. Look at the back of this device. No camera bar, no visor, no island. The back of the Pixel 10a is completely 100% flush. We've spent years tolerating table wobble and buying bulky cases just to level out our phones. Google finally rearranged the internals to make a device that actually sits flat on a desk. It sounds like a small detail, but in the hand, this minimalist pill design feels more premium than a $500 phone has any right to be. And the new colors, especially that vibrant berry, make it stand out in a sea of gray slabs. If you dig past the familiar processor, Google actually addressed the real-world weak points. The screen is now an Actua display hitting 3,000 nits of peak brightness, which is genuine flagship territory. They finally ditched the ancient Gorilla Glass 3 for Gorilla Glass 7i, making it significantly more drop-resistant. Even the charging got a bump. We finally graduated to 30-watt wired charging. It's not breakneck speed, but it's a much-needed step forward. Then there's the safety aspect. They added Satellite SOS, making this the cheapest way to get satellite emergency connectivity on an Android phone. It's one of those features you hope you never use, but for $499, it's a massive peace of mind win that usually costs double. Let's address the elephant in the room. The Tensor G4. Yes, the more expensive Pixel 10 models move to the newer G5 chip. The 10a stays on the Samsung-built G4. Does it matter? Honestly, for 90% of people, no. It runs Android 16 perfectly and handles all the new AI features, like Camera Coach and Auto Best Take, without breaking a sweat. For the scroll and snap crowd, this chip is plenty, especially since Google is promising 7 years of guaranteed updates. This phone is literally supported until 2033. The Pixel 10a isn't for the person who buys a new flagship every year. It's for the person holding a Pixel 6 or an old budget Galaxy who just wants a phone that works, takes incredible photos, and doesn't rock back and forth when they type on a table. It's a boring upgrade if you're a tech enthusiast, but it's a perfect smartphone if you're a human being. We didn't realize how much we missed a flat back until we finally got it back.